Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a little treat. Now I ordered this back in the day when this first launched, and I just saw Laura Lee review this. Can you guess what it is? Yep, we're gonna try it, so stay tuned. So I got the cute little washer machine. Little thingy is already coming apart. It is so cute. Now, I don't know why I did it. It was trending. I thought it would be fun to do, and here I am doing it for you guys right now. So let's just see if this works. So I got this on Amazon. I think it was like $8 and some change with free shipping. So, and I know this has been the new hype lately, and a lot of YouTubers have been doing it, but I wanted to try it for myself because if you guys know me and you watch my videos, you know I hate cleaning my brushes. I think I finally cleaned them after like 3 months of not cleaning them. I don't know, but let's play with this and see how it works. It's very simple. This is your little spout, and it trying to hit me in the face. See? Ah, I got water all over me. Anyways, this lets the water out from inside the compartment, and that is the compartment right there, and it does spin, as you can see. So, and it does take 2 AAA batteries, and I am getting this all over me. Look at this. I haven't even started the video yet, and I'm already making a mess. But that's just lock the little thing in, and that's get some water. So I have some warm water. I don't know if the other people have used warm water or cold water or what, but I wanted to use warm water. So, and I also have this Glam Glow Gentle Bubbler. I have my beauty sponge. It's a Real Techniques. I just used it today, so it is, as you can tell, very, very nasty. So let's play. So I am going to first open the water bottle, because I'm going to need both hands for this. So I am going to cooperate with me, little thing. Pour the water in, and if you guys can see how much water I put in. Okay, now I'm gonna open my Glam Glow and pour some soap in. I didn't use a ton. Actually, let's just add a little bit more. And there we go. And stick my nasty. Uh-oh. It's overfilling. So, and that's, give that a little spin. Not doing anything. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's try this beauty blender. For some reason, it doesn't like the Real Techniques ones. This one, I would not spin, so I grabbed a different one, and it seems to be working. Come on, work. It just will not, it won't turn. See, I take it out, and it turns. I put it in. So let's try this again. So I have 4. You see, they are loaded with product, and let's see if it will work in there now. And here we go. Let's turn the machine off. And I'm going to pat these dry a little. Yeah, they're still filthy. Look at that. So, and that's empty. I'm not going to use the drain. I'm just pouring it in here. Because, yeah. It doesn't work. We can try it one more time. I have a little bit of water left. Let's see if we can just try these brushes one more time. See if we can rinse them. Okay, let's put brushes down and turn it off. No, they're not clean. These are still absolutely. Yes, it got the main product off, but they're gross. What do I think of this little? No, it leaks. It doesn't work. Like, I don't understand. It's supposed to leak from here, but it's just leaking everywhere else. I was so excited to try this. I saw so many people review this and they thought it was like the nicest thing. And come on, look at my beauty sponges. That's not clean. That is disgusting. And it wouldn't even take this one. It wouldn't even spin it whatsoever. So I don't understand why it works for some people and it didn't work for me. Maybe they have a better version of it and I got a huge crappy version of it. I don't know. Okay, this is why you don't buy things that are trending on the internet, because you never know what you're gonna get because they're not clean. You suck, you suck, you suck. You're wasting my money, you're wasting my money. Why? Why did I get the defective one? And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys will subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you will be notified every single time that I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.